Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering off the iPhone and clearing obvious debris. This protects circuits and prevents shorting. Use a flashlight at a 45 degrees angle while you peer inside the jack to spot lint or corrosion. Once identified, use a soft bristle brush and one short burst of compressed air to dislodge loose material. Be gentle to avoid bending internal contacts. If the plug appears stuck, do not force it. Instead, move to targeted cleaning with a toothpick wrapped in a microfiber cloth. Once the loose debris is cleared, you perform targeted cleaning to restore contact integrity. Wrap the toothpick tip in microfiber and moisten it very slightly with 90% isopropyl. This dissolves oils without leaving residue. Insert gently, scrape and rotate to pull out compacted lint. 2 to 3 controlled passes are usually enough. Afterward, brush the outer rim with a soft toothbrush to remove surface grime. Then use one short compressed air burst to eject remaining particles and evaporate. You finish by visually inspecting the jack and testing with headphones, trying different orientations to check intermittent contact. If audio drops when you rotate the plug slightly, that indicates bent contacts. A gentle nudge may help, but avoid forcing. If only one headphone set fails, you've isolated the cable as the cause. Once done, reboot the phone and test again. If problems persist despite cleaning and testing, back up your data and seek authorized repair to replace the jack or internal daughterboard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.